Okay, so I love that we're showing it that way because yes, you can hang it up on the wall as a wreath, that type of thing, but this can also lay flat and be part of your centerpiece. There are only two different ones to choose from. Winter Whimsy, which is that one that you're looking at right there. And then there's also Classic Metallic. And that one is going to have more the golds and the silvers, etc. So let's take a look at this one. This is the Winter Whimsy. What I thought was so beautiful and unique, Tara, is that some of the ornaments are see-through and some are not. And then notice some of the ones that are see-through, or excuse me, that are not see-through, they have those characters. If we can zoom in, like I see this one right here has the characters, and several of them do. So if you're collecting Winter Whimsy, you've got those little guys on there too.
And this is so much fun. That is so beautiful. There you can see all of the detail of the colors. This is a shatterproof wreath. I created this and designed it because I love the pops of color, the detail that you can get. But then we wrapped it with those beautiful fairy lights. So it's also lit. It has a 6-hour timer. 18-hour timer off. It has a cage in the back for the battery pack. I painstakingly designed this because, again, I want there to be a compartment for you to put those batteries in. But whether you're using this as a centerpiece in the center of your table and tucking candles in it, or you're hanging it inside or outside, it welcomes the season. It's absolutely beautiful. And you have all of those characters floating on this shatterproof wreath, which I just think is so special and so fun. And then I think you're gonna show us the second. There's only two in existence right now. Right. They're both there with you.
So I'll just show you this and then I'm gonna take it off the wall and show the back. But this one is the Classic Metallic. And so it has the silvers and the golds and quite a bit of bronze in there too, which is nice if you love the bronzes. And these have the snowflakes on them, so you'll see that. But then let me just take this off for a moment and show you. Okay, I'm being careful. I don't have to be careful, it's shatterproof. So I can drop it on the floor. But you can see right back here, it's all done with a very sturdy, you know, a metal background holding it all in place. But then here, like you said, here's that little cage, etc. So you don't have to wonder, okay, where am I going to put that battery box? You know, and to take it out, all you have to do is just bend these back. It's kind of like when you're doing frames, you know, etc. So there's your batteries right there. And then
it's such a fun piece.
Yeah, there is that piece that you can use to hang it. Right there, you just need a nail. But it's a nice size. It's not too big, but it's not small either.
Well, I designed it two different ways, whether you were using it on your door or, like I mentioned, you're laying it in the center of maybe your table and you're putting your candles inside it and using that as now a centerpiece also, because it's wrapped in those beautiful fairy lights, because you have the interest of different colors, some are translucent, you have the patterns. It really is a beautiful focal point. And so I love the idea of even maybe picking up a couple, and you could have one in your front door and your back door, or maybe you're using one in the center. But I love that if you're all out like red, green, and white Christmas, then you're gonna go whimsy. And if you like a little bit more of that, you know, metallic look, the silvers and golds and bronze, then of course you have a choice either way.
I love it. Well, here's the thing. You are saving $9 off of QVC's price because remember, we have just kicked off the Joy of Christmas sale all day on QVC. So all day Sunday, you're getting these great sale prices. Everything on air and online is on 5 easy monthly payments. So take advantage of that because, I mean, if you started buying 3 and 4 of the things we've shown you tonight and you're saving, you know, $7 on one, $9 on another, $8 on another, you start adding that up and you pretty soon will have saved about $40, $50. So that's why you want to buy it when it is at a sale price. And it's just very pretty. You know, it's also one of those things where maybe you want it for a kid's room. you know, or like it's kind of like the boys' room or whatever it might be. And they want that too. But you love that it's shatterproof. Hey, you know, I mean, let's be honest. Most wreaths out there are not shatterproof with ornaments. Most ornaments are breakable, they're glass, etc. So this just makes it so nice, and it also looks good year after year after year. Okay, more goodies to show you. Okay, if you want more from our Temp-tations Centertain